Let us now continue with the role of HRM. Please do not confuse between role of human resource management and role of human resource manager. Both are different topics. Presently we are dealing with role of human resource management, that is role of HRM. The role of HRM can be studied at 3 to 4 levels. One at the individual level, second at the enterprise level, third at the social or national level. You can divide social and national as separate levels if required. Now we will just see in brief what is the role of HRM here. So human resource management. So we are speaking about human resources. Human resources, the word itself tells that human being as a resource, and the word used is resources. Okay, so plural. We are not just source for something, we are resource for something because we can keep on repeating the things many times. One, and we are not good at only one source, we are good at several sources. Okay, we can do several activities. Basically, to understand that, try to understand the word. Okay, source means from where we get something, resource means from where we can get the things repeatedly. As man, we are capable of doing several things continuously for long periods of times, and after some rest, once again we are capable of redoing it, repeating it over years together. And we do not have only one skill, we can take up several skills and we can learn lot of things, and one person himself is not restricted to only one skill or activity. He can do several activities once, twice, many times. He can learn new things and become good at new things also. So this is the reason why it is called as human resources. Okay, now if you take the example of any non-living thing, okay, take the example of a tube light. Okay, it can give us only light. We can at the most, if we even use internet of things, use some chips etc., we can instruct it to increase the brightness or decrease the brightness, but I cannot ask the tube light to give me fresh air. It is just not possible. The tube light is made only to supply us light. We can change the intensity of the light, but we cannot teach it new things. Okay, but man on the other hand, you may have employed somebody for marketing, you can teach him accounting and put him in accounting department. You can hire somebody for production purpose and you can send that person for marketing activities. So people can learn new things and they are resource for us for several aspects. So at the individual level, HRM works in creating knowledge, skill and aptitude in the person. It also helps in creating experience, and persons learn through experience, and people who learn through experience, they also learn how to take correct decisions over a period of time, and this person becomes more and more useful over a period of time. In accountancy, you learn the concept of depreciation. When I purchase something and it comes out of the showroom, the value of that item or goods falls down immediately. Take for example a vehicle. You go and buy a vehicle worth 6 lakhs, and once it leaves the showroom and you register it, if you want to sell it the next day after registration, the cost of that vehicle will be far less than 6 lakhs. They will say it is second hand or it has depreciated in the value. After 1 year, you are legally allowed to reduce the value. Okay, so in accounting they may allow some certain percentage which is fixed. For different vehicles it is different. So that much of depreciation is allowed per year, and by third year to fifth year the value of the vehicle will be scrap value. But on the other hand, a person who has worked for few years, his value keeps on increasing. Okay, so it is only the human resource whose value will always keep on increasing. So every individual must strive to ensure that his value keeps on increasing. At the enterprise level, the human resource management basically aims to create teams to ensure that individual contribution is there, at the same time a person learns how to work as a team, and when he learns to work in a team, he is able to get synergy. Synergy is basically similar to 1 plus 1 becoming 11. Okay. An example of that would be, if you are asked to move a table out from your classroom, you would take several minutes to do that. Two of you doing the same activity together, you will take it out maybe just in 1 or 2 minutes, and in 10 minutes you could have 10 benches outside the classroom. If two of you worked individually, both of you would move only 2 benches out after 15 minutes. So, 1 plus 1, the synergy is basically when two energies combine together and their output gives much more higher level of result than what individuals could have accomplished, is known as synergy. At the enterprise level, we try to create synergy using the people in the organization. At the social level, human resource management tries to create a society where people are in a situation where they are getting proper employment, where their knowledge, skills, experience is put to proper use. And at the national level, it is the responsibility of the government of that nation to see that the manpower of the nation is taken care of properly, their education is good, their livelihood expectancy is good, their income levels are good, all of them are capable of working, and they are getting work, and they are getting proper payment for their work. So, at the national level also we have human resource, which is known as HRD, Ministry of HRD, that is Ministry of Human Resource Development. At the social level, all the organizations together, they take care of us. Every organization must take care of its employees, that is at the enterprise level, and every person must take care of himself to, so that he as a contributor to the family, for himself, for the nation at large, is more beneficial than he would be without knowing the concept of human resource. When you understand the concept of human resource, you will understand your value towards yourself, to the organization where you are working, to the society, and to the nation. This is basically the role of human resource management. Thank you.